Tu se nam je pridružil kar kapitan te velikanske ladje, čezoceanske potniške ladje. Lep pozdrav, hello, how are you?
Very good, how are you?
Tako kapitan nas lepo pozdravlja. You are a captain of a really big ship. How many tourists can travel on your boat?
Over 3,000 passengers and over 1,250 crew.
Torej, res ladja sprejme več kot 3000 ljudi in tudi zelo obširna posadka. And how many tourists have already traveled with you? All tourists?
No, the ship is 3.5 years old. Hundreds of thousands of people travel on my ship.
Ja, ladja ima že nekaj let za sabo, tako da niti ne moremo prešteti, koliko turistov je vse že potovalo z njo. Ne moremo tega tako prešteti, ampak res na stotine in stotine ljudi. What is going on in your ship that is so interesting? What is it that people want to travel with you?
We provide the best service in the high seas. We are very famous for our service to our guests, very famous for our dining experience. The best dining rooms we have on the ship, and also very nice, great entertainment, and we make very nice itineraries around the world. We show the best places around the world.
No, kapitana smo vprašali, zakaj je njegova ladja tako atraktivna, da se turisti udeležijo potovanja z njo. In sicer gre za zelo specifično ladjo, ima zelo dobro kulinariko oziroma postrežbo, pa tudi pokažejo tiste koščke sveta, ki jih turisti res želijo videti. And I heard that this is the last year that this ship is in Mediterranean. Why?
This is the last year in the Mediterranean Sea. The last 3 seasons we have been coming to Slovenia and many other countries around the Med. Next year our ship will reposition and will go to the Baltic Sea. Very nice area as well.
Torej, ladja je tu že 3 leta v Mediteranskem morju, sedaj pa se bo odpravila na sever, tako da je danes v bistvu še zadnja možnost, da jo vidite. Pridite tule v Koper in videli boste to velikanko. And you said that you will play your music.
You want to play my music? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we enjoy that. I hope you hear that. This is a siren of your boat.
Also, I want to say that we have several crew members from Slovenia. We are very happy, our passengers are very happy with Slovenia and Koper and all the places that we travel around here. And you have fantastic nature and very friendly people. So we appreciate that.
Tako, kapitan je tudi navdušen nad Slovenijo, pravi, da imamo res prelepo naravo in mi se vam zahvaljujemo. Thank you very much.
We have one of our Slovenian ladies is working on the ship.
Imamo tudi Slovenko, ki dela na ladji. Nina, pozdravljeni.
Pozdravljeni, dober dan.
Kako je na ladji?
Super je, super. Zanimiva izkušnja, nekaj novega, definitivno. Sploh pa z takšnim kapitanom, tako da smo ful zadovoljni.
No, to sem želela vprašati, kako se kaj kapitan odreže?
Res do zdaj najboljše, no, definitivno, res zabaven, res da zelo dost na njegovo posadko, tako da smo ful zadovoljni, res.
Hvala lepa, Nina. Thank you, Captain.
You want one more?
One more? Okay, right. We can hear it. Captain, we wish you a pleasant journey and enjoy in Slovenia.
Thank you very much. Dobro jutro to all your viewers.
Tako, dobro jutro. Kapitan se je naučil tudi slovensko, tako da smo mu res zelo hvaležni za to. Hvala lepa tudi za obisk.